It's a great moment for all of us, particularly REP and all our associates. The progress which we have made in last 2 years, and we are very sure in future and times to come, we are certainly going to progress in a better way.
I'm happy to hear and I wish REPL to grow in future.
To being a part of this opening ceremony of NSC listing and switching REPL from MSc board to main board. And we wish that it should grow tremendously in the future.
It has been a great moment for entire REPL group to be listed at NSE, India's largest stock exchange. And really in just 2.5 years, we have been able to migrate from NSE merge to NSE main board. What is more important is that we are one of its kind in the consultancy domain to be at NSE.
From this point onwards, the journey will be more critical, crucial for this organization, because we need to look for various ways and means to cope up with the next challenges this organization is going to face, to achieve the next various milestones in future.
I'm very proud to be part of this and looking forward for a tremendous growth in next coming years.
Good moment for all of us. Congratulations to all of us.